We are currently in between worlds, between what was and what will be.
Not completely out of one world, nor fully engaged in the next one.
It is at this time we must allow ourselves to let go, to surrender,
to fall into this unknown, to fall into this void.
In every moment,
the gap between worlds, between thoughts, and between breaths.
Stay here. Surrender here. Nowhere to go. No one to be. Nothing to hold on to.
Limitless.
This is not a time to try to work things out, to do, to force, or to make assumptions.
Instead, we're being called to let go of all of our concepts, to let go of everything known, to let go of the past, to let go of the future, and to let go of our stories.
To be swallowed whole by this fertile ground of not knowing, by this transcendent mystery of existence where all potentials are held.
See, we do not know what is next. In truth, we never do. No one does. That is simply the mind trying to grasp onto some perceived conceptual safety.
The safety is here, in this moment, in this breath. Stay here. All we can ever do is surrender to now. Surrender to whatever form this moment takes. And surrender to the ever-present, all-encompassing stillness that lies beneath it.
Let's see how this stillness wants to move us. Let's see how this silence wants to guide us between these two worlds.
We are being birthed, my friends. Patience,
Surrender.
trust.